found this truck up at the Clifford Truck Show, and my wife really likes it, so I thought I should feature it. It's from Joshua Ramsrod. It's from St. Anne's. It's a 1978 Kenworth W900A. It's got over 300,000 kilometers on it. But the cool thing is, it's a Kenworth straight truck. That's right. This thing is cool. It's got the big, it's a very cool Kenworth, all yellow, but it's a straight truck flatbed, which I think is very cool the way they've done this. He's got lots of highlighted things on it, like the light blue frame that's on it. The tanks are nicely polished. It's a single axle straight truck. Dual pipes, the whole bit. I love the grill. All of this thing is really well done, and she just thought this was the cutest truck going. So if you want a 1978 Kenworth straight truck, then this is the one to get. Anyway, it's nice and clean, and I think the first thing, that the yellow is the real showstopper of it, and second of all is it's just well kept, and it's small. It's kind of cool. The bed was very cool too. Nice steel bed. I don't know what they haul most of the time, if they haul anything. But the headlight visors were cool. It's got a big Texas bumper on it here. It's got a heavy front end by the looks of it. And, breather lights. The breather lights are quite different than what you might see. I didn't see this at night, but I can imagine it's quite a showstopper for sure. So yellow paint, blue highlights, and just a lot of cool chrome. My friends, that is your truck of the week.